How to remove green screen in CapCut. Let's get into it. With your project open in CapCut, select the clip that you want to remove the background of. This will open up a bunch of different parameters in the right here. What we want to do is select video, come into remove background, and the option that we want is chroma key. With this selected, it's going to enable us to use a color picker. We want to click on the color picker and hover over our video. Now, as we can see, that has automatically done a fantastic job of removing the green screen, but it's not quite perfect around her hair here. If we scroll down here, we do have some options that we can play with, such as intensity, shadow, feather edge, and cleanup edge. Feather edge and cleanup edge are pro options, so you do have to pay for that, but you can play around with the intensity to get it just right for your video. Because I am a pro member, I can use the cleanup edge tool, and I'm just going to use that to help remove the green around her hair like so. Now if we play this video back, we can see that the green has been perfectly removed from our video there, and that's all there is to it.